Welcome. My name's Erica. Welcome to my home. This is 245 West Maude. It's in Arlington Heights, and it is for rent. Let me show you around. We're coming in the front door, and we have a hallway down that leads to all the bedrooms and bathrooms. We also have in-unit washer and dryer. And then this is the bathroom off the hall. And this is the first bedroom. It faces north. This faces Maude Avenue. And we have closets that go all the way up. And then across the hall, or I should say down the hall, sorry, is another bedroom with cross-ventilating windows. And all the bedrooms have new fans and new lights. And again, our closets. And then we have the master bedroom. And again, it has cross-ventilating windows. These face south, out towards the park. We have double closets in here. And then the master bathroom is in here. And then we head on out. Down the hall into the family room. And this is at the front of the house with large picture window, ventilating windows. You have the entrance into the one-car garage from here, and it brings you right into a small dining space. And the kitchen. All the appliances are less than 2 years old, and this leads you out into the family room. Again, large ventilating window that looks out onto the park. And then we have our exit onto, probably onto the patio. Oh, we even got some flowers in bloom. Oh, good. And we have a small patio, perfect for a grill. And out into the yard. And this is our yard. And you can extend out into Hasbrook Park. If you have any questions, any concerns, any questions that you may have about the property you're viewing, please feel free to reach out to Spouses Selling Houses team, and they'll facilitate any tours or any questions that you may have. Hope you have a good day, and thanks for visiting my home.